MSC's World America. We are in room 21010. This ship is brand new. It's only been on 4 cruises before this one. So we are in Yacht Club. We have 2 closets. This is the first of 2. So this is the bigger one that has lots of space for long dresses, suits. We also have some shoe space, a couple of extra pillows up there, lots of hangers. So this is great storage space. We'll start with the room. So we have a king size bed here. We'll go through the lights and this is, I can't remember what this is called, C something, for chargers. You also have the ability to turn all of the room lights off with this switch and on. We'll book light, side light, and then we have lots of counter space. A couple of drawers that has, so if you wanted to get laundry done, you can put it in there. Laundry service, I think this is shoe something. And then this usually has the blow dryer, which we will both be using. And then we have a couple of European outlets there, and then another foreign outlet, and then a couple of American outlets, that kind of thing. Trash can, little seat for if you want to do your makeup here, which I probably will. This is where the safe is, but we also, okay, so this is the safe, which we do usually wind up using quite a bit. And then this is storage, and then I think this drawer is my favorite. Oh, nope, that's just another drawer. So more storage. That means my favorite's in here, I think. Let's see. Yeah, so this has some Pringles, which I think you only get one of these. Ice if we wanted, the remote, a couple of glasses, champagne glasses, can opener or bottle opener. And then this is my favorite drawer. So the tea, all of the tea and sugar. I will definitely be getting tea at some point. And then one plate and some utensils if we want to use those. And then this is the fridge, which all of this is included. So usually we wind up getting rid of, so we'll keep some of those. We love, you get one of these. We'll get rid of a couple of those and we'll tell our butler what we want in here, which is usually like Sprite, Sprite Zero, and then just a bunch of extra waters. But you can customize that, but it's all included. And then an espresso machine, but I just wind up going to the bar to get my coffee in the morning because I just want somebody to make it for me, you know, when I'm on vacation. So this is the second closet, which is a little different than our previous cruises, but we have more storage up there, a bunch of shelves, a little more like hanger space, but this would be more for like shirts, like coats, but not really dresses. And then a couple, like 3 drawers, so that's less than normal, but that's okay. Then we have a little sitting area. So couch, coffee table, a chair. And then we have the balcony. So much light. Okay. There are 2 locks on this, but I've already taken off one of them. And then we have this large balcony space. And then that's Miami. It is a beautiful day in Miami. I think the high today is 90. Traffic wasn't bad getting in. The water looks amazing. We are so excited to be on World America. This is the newest ship for MSC. It's one of the biggest. It's the biggest ship I've ever been on. I am so excited to be here. We've watched lots of videos, and we've also already gotten a couple of coins to go to the, oh my gosh, I'm blanking. What's it called? Speakeasy. Speakeasy. Okay, now the bathroom. All right. I was frantically looking for these when we first got here. Couple of robes. The bathroom is smaller than the last couple of yacht clubs we've been in. I don't think it's the end of the world. The other thing that's new, so we do have the waterfall shower, and we also have like the handheld shower thing, but there's no door, which will be interesting. Sink, soap, lotion. These are new. I don't think we've had these before, but shower cap, toothbrush holder, that kind of thing. A couple of shelves. makeup mirror, and then we do have some space under here. Extra toilet paper, some storage, a little trash can, toilet, towel. So it's not bad. It's bigger than like the standard room, but it is smaller than our previous balcony yacht club rooms. We love Yacht Club. No complaints here. We are just excited to be on World America and everything it has to offer. Also want to shout out to Melania, the Yacht Club director, because she's the reason to come on this ship. Our home for the next 7 nights and 8 days.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat.